are already planted and I put it in. There's the one that looked like a star. But all these guys are plants.
All right, everybody's always asking me, what do you add to your aquarium to make the plants beautiful? Well, supplements, all right? It has a lot of supplements in here that we don't, sometimes as human beings, we require sometimes vitamins, so do plants, all right? Now, this can give you a readout of all the stuff that it has in the back. And one thing I do recommend is calcium, magnesium. This is perfect for if you want to grow a healthy population of shrimp and other fishes. And I have an aquarium that has a lot of fish and shrimp, so I don't normally need this. Now, cap, you use the cap for measurement, one little scoop, depending on your aquarium size. Read the instructions, and you add your actual fluids into your aquarium. Now, it takes a while to see any kind of differences. It's going to take you months, weeks, but you're going to see a big difference from before. If you try to grow plants and they didn't grow because there was always something missing, well, this is one of the things. So take a look at it. It comes in a small little bottle, easy to use. All right, so here we have with the elements, supplements, all right, that we're gonna do. I like to get a little cup, all right, you take the right measurement so I know exactly how much I'm gonna put. We're gonna add it in. Now, this one, just make sure you mix it up right, even rewash this just a little bit. And there you go. So if you guys ever want to get great plants like I am, make sure you give this at least once in a while. Read the instructions to make sure you follow the instructions properly and keep it away from kids. This is a great arsenal to your aquarium to add to your aquarium. Elements. This is an element one. All right, we're gonna add it's a 20 gallon, so this one we're gonna add
between right here,
between there. All right,
so 7 millimeters.